Hello everyone, today we'll be fully testing the Dremel 4300. Everyone says it's one of the best rotary tools, but today I'm putting that to the test. We're checking out how many amps it pulls, how fast it really spins, and how hot it gets under load. We'll also be testing some of the bits that it came with and see how good they are. And let's get right into it. Let's first see what's included and what's not included. Unfortunately, this kit did not come with any like carbine burr bits or extra nozzle pieces for this part right here. And it also didn't come with like saw blades. So I went ahead and got the carbine burr set for it, extra nozzles for it, and saw blades for it. And these carbine burr bits help with plastics. It's useful for me because I mainly do plastics, and that's the reason why I got this right here. Now guys, I want to test the RPM on this thing. It's claiming 35,000 RPM max, and we're going to go ahead and test that right now. We'll be testing the maximum RPM using the DT2234C Plus digital tachometer. To take the drill bit off, you have to press this lock button right here, and then it can easily screw off. To test the RPMs, I'll be using the different drill bit it came with, so that it's easier. This drill bit right here. So there's an area right here to put the reflective tape, so that it will be easier to conduct the test. Okay guys, so I'm only getting 29,000 RPM. It's not quite getting 35,000 though. I would say it's not even that hot compared to the other rotary tool I've been reviewing. It's actually pretty cold right here, but over here it's a little bit warmer, but it's not bad actually. Let's go ahead and test the wattage. I went ahead and got this tool right here to test it. That'll tell us how many watts we're pulling. And since we're using 120 volts, this will help us calculate how many amps we're pulling. So let's go ahead and plug it in right here and right here. Let's go ahead and go to the max setting under zero load, and let's calculate how many watts we're pulling. Okay guys, I hit around 83 watts if we round it. So let's go ahead and use my trusty calculator to calculate it. So we pulled 83 watts without any load, divided by 120, the amount of voltage we're using. And we're using about 0.69 amps. That's how much we're pulling under zero load. I'm curious how much it will increase. Let's actually test that right now. I'm going to be cutting through plastic using this carbine burr bit that I bought, and we'll see how many amps we'll be pulling. Okay, let's not go to 3,500. I mean 35,000 RPM. Let's go to 15,000. Let's cut this part right here. Let's go to the max. Okay, we peaked at 113 watts. So let's calculate that. And we were actually putting it to its limits over there. So let's do 113 divided by 120. We did 0.9 amps there. We gave the Ironman car body a nice clean haircut right there. Overall, this tool is pretty decent. It didn't quite go up to its 35,000 RPM claim. It only went up to 29,000, which is quite unfortunate. The last video I made with a different rotary tool did not go up to its claim either. So, I mean, it's quite unfortunate. But, I mean, if you get this for under $80, I would say it's a good deal. But, I mean, I hope this tool lasts me a while, because it's Dremel. But, overall, it's not bad, and it's worth a try. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.